Do you know you could be sitting on penalties you don't need to pay? Here's how to apply for KRA's Tax Amnesty and avoid thousands. The 2024 Amnesty allows KRA to waive penalties and interest on past tax obligations. To qualify, you must file all paid-in returns and pay any tax you owe before June 30th, 2025. So what does Tax Amnesty cover? It covers penalties for late filing and interest on unpaid taxes. But it does not remove the tax itself. You still have to pay the principal. It only applies on taxes due before December 2023. Who qualifies? You qualify if you missed filing returns before December 2023 or you filed but did not pay the principal tax. Both individuals and businesses are eligible unless your case is already under audit or court. So what you must do first? First, file all the paid-in returns. Even if it's just a nil return, file it. Then pay the tax you owe before applying for the waiver. Now this is the step-by-step on how to apply on iTax.
Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like these.
Step 1. Log in into your itax.kra.go.ke using your KRA PIN or ID number and your password. Then go to Debt and Enforcement. Click on iTax Amnesty Application. On Section A, select Resident Individual under the tax obligation. You will see the years and amounts listed. Select them all and click Add. Then move to Section B. Choose how many installments you'll use to pay the principal amount. Take note, the first installment is due on the day you submit the application, and all installments must be completed by June 30th, 2025. When you select the installments, iTax calculates how much each payment is. Then you'll use the e-slip to pay via Mpesa. KRA clears penalties and interest after final installment. Once your amnesty application is submitted, go to the payment section and click on Payment Registration. Choose Income Tax Resident Individual. Then enter the correct year, the same one from your application, add it and submit. You'll get a document that will guide you on how you can make your payments through Mpesa. Then what happens? KRA will review your request. You'll get a feedback either by email or on your iTax portal. Please subscribe for more return and compliance tips if you found this helpful. If you are stuck, drop a comment. I'll try to help where I can.
Kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.